There are some instances where maybe you have a loop created in your system accidentally, where multiple actions are set to feed off directly into one another back and forth, or feed back into itself repeatedly and indefinitely. So what happens here is this creates an infinite loop of actions that can slow down your system and cause issues, and usually this is something that's done accidentally. I'm not talking about having something trigger a campaign or have a campaign fire off a workflow. I don't mean that. What I do mean is an infinite loop that's been created where maybe you've accidentally set something up to have the same person added and re-added over and over and over again into the same trigger action or the same campaign or same workflow endlessly. So campaigns, triggers, and workflows will automatically be loop locked in the system when they reach 50 starts or action executions for the same contact in less than 30 minutes. So an example of this would be if you have one contact record added to the same campaign or workflow based on a trigger in 30 minutes or less, then the loop lock will automatically be enabled. And you'll see an error code that looks something like this at the top of the workflow, the trigger, or the campaign page. And then what you'll need to do is contact us in support. We can review the item, whether it's a campaign, a trigger, or a workflow, and we will assist you with unlocking it and resolving that loop so that you don't have any issues with your system.